In the case of ACC, it's again camera data which is important. And of course, can also be, if you want to spot gas leakages or whatever, you also can, of course, have other devices out there. If you show some examples in a moment where cameras or your tags or your personal tags are important at the ACC device. At certain locations on the site, the cameras, and it can be your safety cameras. There is no need to have separate cameras. You can take your safety cameras, and maybe the cameras have already images AI built in, because all new cameras will have AI facilities built in, so simple AI models. And maybe the simple AI model is sufficient over here. If not, to bring that data either to edge if it's time critical, or it's larger, or you bring it to the cloud environment and apply machine vision. And so it's all about early spotting issues or preventing issues to happen. You go to the next